Hello and welcome back to another Medieval Dynasty tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can craft the Stone Sickle within your game. So let's get started right away. Now the Stone Sickle is one of the most easiest weapon to craft, and you can access it without even having the ability to chop down tree. All you will need to do is collect 4 sticks and 4 stones. You can find sticks and stones both that are laying on the ground, and you can pick them up by using the E button. Once you have collected enough sticks and stones, then you can open up the crafting menu by tapping on the Q button. Then go into handcrafting and then navigate towards Stone Sickle. Then click on it and this will begin crafting the Stone Sickle right away. Once it is crafted, you can press the tab button to go into your inventory and then equip the Stone Sickle within any of your desired slots. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to craft the Stone Sickle within the Medieval Dynasty game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.